How to fix PayPal limitation. So if you want to remove limitations from your PayPal account, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So a limited account means that you won't be able to do certain things with your PayPal account. For example, you might not be able to send or withdraw money. For that, you need to go with your resolution center or click the bell icon at the top of your dashboard for more info. So tap on the resolution center, log into your account. If all the steps are completed and your account remains limited, it either means that PayPal already reviewed your account and sent you an email asking for more information, or PayPal is still reviewing the information that you've provided. If you're required to upload documents, then review the tips for submitting documents. Once you've done with the required steps, the review of your account usually takes around 3 business days, and PayPal will contact you via email once the review is completed. You may need to change your password and security questions. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.